Hi everyone, in this video we will see the flash fill feature. It is one of the most efficient and time saving feature in Excel. So let me straight away show you an example. In this column it contains some names. It contains both first name and last name, and we want to split these names into first name and last name in two different columns. So here we'll write the first name, that is Hardik, and press enter, and for rest of the names we'll just press Ctrl E. So you can see Excel automatically fetches all the first names from column A and it will populate in column B. This feature is called flash fill. So what Excel does, Excel automatically identifies a pattern and gets that specific data from the previous column. So when we write the first name Hardik here, Excel automatically identifies that we are extracting the first names from column A, and it will do the same thing for rest of the names. So it saves a lot of time. So if you have some thousands of records, then you can get all those data like this. Similarly, for the last name, we'll just write here Singh, press enter and press Ctrl E. So you can see all the last names from column A is displayed in column C. So now the first name and last name from column A has been separated into column B and column C respectively. Now let's see here. Here we have first name and last names into different columns. Now we want those names into a single column. So what we'll do, here in this cell, we'll write Hardik Singh, press enter. Now you can either press Ctrl E or you can go to this data tab, and in this data tools group, we have this flash fill command. If we press here, we can get all those data in this one column. Next, we'll see another example. Here we have all the names and we want to generate the email IDs of each name. So let's say the email ID is in the format first name dot last name, that is hardik.singh@xyz.com. Press enter and now press Ctrl E. So you can see all the email IDs have been generated. Now we'll see another example here. Let's say we want to change the case into uppercase for all the names. So we'll write the first name all in uppercase, Hardik space Singh, press enter. Now let's write the second name, John. So you can see here all the rest of the names are displayed in light gray color. So if you just press enter, all the names are populated in this column. So this is another feature of the flash fill. But if due to any reason you don't want like this, if you want to disable that feature, you can do it by just go to file, options, here click on advanced. Now under editing options, here you can see automatically flash fill is checked. You have to uncheck this and click on OK, and let's check it again. Let me delete this. I'll write the first name Hardik Singh, enter. Now I'll write the second name John, and now you can see all the rest of the names are now not displayed in the light gray color. Press enter and now press Ctrl E, and now you can see all the names are now displayed in uppercase. Now we'll see another type of example where we will extract only a specific part from a given data. So here it contains some codes and we want to extract only the alphabets. So these are basically the codes of some cities. So we want to extract only that part. So from the first data, we'll extract this DEL, and like that, we'll extract only the alphabets. So here we'll type DEL. Now just press enter and now just press Ctrl E. So Excel will automatically identify the pattern that we want only the alphabet part, and like that, it will extract only those alphabets from the rest of the records. So we can see here DEL, MUM, JK, BLR, like that for all the records. Similarly, from here, we will see the number part. So let's say I want to extract only the last 3-digit numbers. That is from here 101, then 123, then 238. All these 3-digit numbers I want to extract. So I'll write here 101, press enter and press Ctrl E. And now you can see it is not giving me the correct result. It is extracting all the 3-digit numbers from the first position, that is 101, then 110, then 111, 202, like that. So I need to train Excel a little bit more. I have to give some extra information. So what I'll do, let's delete this first. I'll write here 101, then press enter, and in the second record I have to type 123. That is the last 3-digit of this record, and now press enter. Now Excel will know that we want only the last 3-digit numbers. So now if we do Ctrl E, it will give us all the last 3-digit records. 101, 123, 238, like that for all the records. So like that flash fill works. It very efficiently saves the time. So that's all about flash fill feature. I hope video is informative. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.